Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's a Sunday about noon and I'm not at the sawmill. I'm actually hanging out here at a little pond we have on the farm. I'm waiting for my family and friends to get here. I've been in since 6 this morning working, knocked off at lunch, and gonna spend the rest of the day here having a little picnic. And I figured while I'm sitting here waiting for them, I'd shoot a short little video thanking you guys for watching. And you know, I know I work a lot of long hours. It's all part of running a business, especially here. You know, I'm involved in two businesses with the tree farm and the lumber. So I never seem to stop moving, but I just wanted to take a minute, say thank you, you know, maybe show you a little bit of what else we do here. It's not all work all the time. You know, the work allows us to spend some time and do some of these other projects that we enjoy. I'll show you here. This is a little pavilion that Joe and I built this spring. It's all post and beam with white pine, tongue and groove, V-groove roof paneling. We got some hanging lights there. It was a fun project. We actually built the roof on the ground, and then I used my crane on my lumber truck and lifted it up on top of the posts there, and then braced everything and did it that way. So we're gonna enjoy the pond a little bit, float around, hang out, have a good afternoon. So I hope wherever you guys are, you're having a good day too. And just, you know, I guess the underlying message I'd like to send is, you know, work is great. We all need to work, but you know, you have to take some time to enjoy yourself too. So have a good one, guys. We'll see ya. 1, 2, 3, cannonball!